We are professionals. The last time that I attended the meeting, I was listening to your discussions, and I think that was the time that supposedly you would select members. And in my understanding that I'm not part of it, that's why we went ahead. It gave me an idea that how to do it, especially the selection of your representatives. I even asked one of the personnel of Sir Alec na tsampahan ko, sabi ko, I went all over again the one that we crafted. I am referring to Ordinance number 46 series of 2021. The CPCCA, I did not find their election as a process of choosing officers, but in the understanding that probably it was agreed upon by the group. Unfortunately, that afternoon, I think that others went out because of equally important, probably, reasons. That is what we are trying to address here. The reason why I put here, punta tayo sa representative, nakalagay dito 7.2, representative for local sector, creative sector shall be selected and decided upon by the members of the sector. So hindi na po general, wala tayong pakialam dun sa grupo ni Tor, halimbawa, kasi nasa heritage tayo. Let them be